All right, it's still windy out, guys. I moved this chime here just so it could that windsock could fly a little more freely and not bang into the chime. And it also blends well with this one. Man, I freaking love this wind chime. I mean, I was looking online to see if I could find any other wind chimes that are in the same key. And literally, like, it's the only one that sounds like this. It's very unique. And it sucks that it went out of business. I swear, I can't stand that J.W. Stenard went out of business. I mean, like, I couldn't see them going bankrupt or something. They made like way too much good wind chimes to go out of business. I just don't understand, but whatever. Do you guys think the chimes of Neptune could fit right here? Like if I put a nail here, like could it go down in there? I don't know. It might be a while before I get one though, because I do want to get one that's a good quality, not the new crappy sounding one. So yeah, it might be a while before I get one because I don't know when one will be for sale. And I need a new chime of Saturn too. As you can see, it's missing the whole middle and I don't even know where it is now. It's been missing for years. Yeah, I haven't let you guys, like, that chime's never really ringing much when I'm recording, so I just figured I'd let you hear it. If the video randomly ends, it's because my girlfriend called me. She just texted me and said she's gonna call me in a minute, so yeah, that's why. My hands are numb already. Like, that's how cold it is out here. I'm wondering if this will ever be over. I'm getting real tired of just seeing snow everywhere. I want to see the grass again. So if I get the other two Mozarts, I'll probably put the medium there and the large there, and move those two somewhere else. And the reason I won't hang them in order is because if I put the medium there, like if I put small, medium, and large, it'll fall behind the grill and it won't blow all that much. So yeah, the small has to hang in the middle. Ah! You gotta watch where you're playing. You ran into my leg. Oh wow, that chime's going crazy out there. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I mean, I know it wasn't that long, but yeah. Bye.